So what are we cooking today?
We're cooking some filet mignon out of a steer that we raised and had him butchered.
Yeah, and this timer, we cook it normally around how much?
About 4 minutes on each side.
4 minutes on each side.
Yep.
And that's the temperature. We want it about 140.
Yeah, about 140. Make it.
See how much it is right now.
About 108.
About 108. It's gonna be good.
98, 97. Yeah,
So it's been on the other side for about 2 minutes on the other side. Ooh. It's getting hot right now. It's steaming. You can see it. Probably can't, but yeah, it's steaming.
Put a little butter on it.
Gotta put some butter on it.
Yeah, butter makes it good.
Falling. Kind of slippery. Oh no, that made it hot. Ooh-wee. Now you can see that smoke on the camera.
Yeah. That is some good eating right there.
Yeah.
Don't get no better than that.
The timer's at 7:06 right now. We have a pit boss right there, but we're cooking this on the flat top right now for some reason. Why are we cooking on the flat top?
That's just how we like them.
We like it on the flat top. We normally cook our hamburgers and stuff on the pit boss. Normally, sometimes. Sometimes we'll cook them on the flat top.
You can close on them.
134. We need it 140. All right. It just bumped up to 135 before he took it off. Let's see.
35.
135.
That one's probably done.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably done. And are we cooking more? This is it.
This is it.
This is all we're cooking because we don't have a lot of people here right now. Right now, though. We only have, like, me, my papa, and my nana.
See what's into that.
Oh, it's getting hot. See how much they are.
That one there don't seem to want.
118, it says. 134 on that one. 134 on that. These. Them over there were hot. These over here just don't want to. This one, oh no, that one needs to go. That one was on like 162.
Yeah.
And this one's like at 119 right now. That one's not getting a lot. See how much degrees it is? Oh. Okay, it's about 116. That's only at 117. We wanted about 140. Okay, it's not hot at all. The timer's at 12 minutes. Ooh, it's steaming. See how much degrees it is now.
130, 28.
Take it off, probably.
Yep.
I just saw like 162 or whatever.
That was on that other one.
No, like, oh, I thought, yeah, you should get a little bit harder.
Yeah, we could take it off. It's about done.
Yeah. Doesn't matter if it's that. All right, the timer's at 9 minutes, 48 seconds, 49 and stuff. Whew.
Yeah.
It's good. We're about to take it off.
Yeah. It'll finish cooking. We're going to let it sit for a little bit. It'll finish cooking and it'll be great.
Yeah, we gotta let it finish cooking. We gotta let it finish cooking, then it'll be great, like he said. like my papa said. Gotta burn the sides a little bit.
All right. You folks have supper. We fixing to have supper ourselves.
Bye. See you next time.